Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Anaconda on your Windows PC. So let's get started. First of all, go to your browser and here just type Anaconda download. This one, just type that one, and here you can see their official website at www.anaconda.com. Click the first link and here you can see download now, get started. Click that one and you have to sign up. If you already have an account with this website, you can just choose that account. I'm gonna sign up with my email right now, and if you don't have already have an account, just click Google, and after that this will bring you to this page. There are three options, as you can see: Windows, Mac and Linux. As we are downloading for Windows, we're gonna select the Windows option, and here in the left corner, Anaconda distribution, here you can see the graphical installer. We have to download this. Don't go for the Miniconda, just click this and it will automatically start to download. This is a heavy one, almost 1.1 GB file, so I already downloaded it. So I'm gonna go to the downloaded folder, this one, and here I will double click it to the exe file. This is the latest version of Anaconda, and as you can see, the verification installer has already begun, so we're gonna wait for it to complete. Just click next. After that, click I agree, or you click next and select the destination folder. You can change it, but I'm gonna keep it as it is. Select next, select install again, and as you can see, the installation has begun, so we have to wait a bit of time to install the software properly on the Windows device. So as you can see, the installation is completed, so I'm going to click next and click next and click finish, and after that I'm gonna go to the search option here, and here search Anaconda, and here you can see Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda prompt. So I'm going to click the Anaconda prompt here. I'm going to type Jupyter Notebook and enter. As you can see, Jupyter Notebook is a web-based open source application, so it will open on your browser, so you can use it to read or write Python codes from your Anaconda. So this is a video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you on the next one.